Good morning, all of students of 11th Science. My name is K.K. Bandgar, Mathematics Department, DBJ College, Chipadun. We have learned about the mathematics paper first, topic number 1, angle and its measurement. In that first point is directed angles. Definition of directed angle: the ordered pair of rays OA OB together with the rotation of the ray OA to the position of the ray OB is called the directed angle AOB. Diagram is given here. Here OA is the initial arm and OB is the terminal arm. OA take the position of OB, then the angle between two rays where is called directed angle and it denoted as AOB. Further, if the rotation of the initial ray is anti-clockwise, then the measure of directed angle is considered as positive. If it is clockwise, then measure of directed angle is considered as negative. In order pair ray OA, ray OB, the ray OA is called initial arm. The ray OA is called initial arm and the ray OB is called terminal arm. Here the two diagrams are given. First here taken direct angle AOB. Here OA is the initial arm and OB is the terminal arm. Similarly, figure 2 is given. Here OA is the terminal arm and OB is the initial arm. Here O is called vertex as shown in figure, and note that ray OA, ray OB not is equal to ray OB, ray OA. Therefore, directed angle AOB not is equal to directed angle DOA, even though they have same amount of the rotation. On last year 10th class पर्यंत आपण अँगल अँड इट्स टाइप्स लर्न केलेला आहात. तरी आपण तेच अँगल तुम्हाला एकदा डेफिनेशन मध्ये थोडक्यात माहिती दिली आहे. झिरो अँगल, वन रोटेशन एंगल, स्ट्रेट एंगल, राइट एंगल, एंगल इन स्टैंडर्ड पोजीशन, quadrant angle in a quadrant, quadrantal angle, co-terminal angles, measure of angles मध्ये रेडियन मेजर आणि डिग्री मेजर, and second type radian measure. First, degree measure. Degree measure. One rotation angle is divided into one rotation angle is divided into 360 equal parts. The measure of each part is called as 1 degree angle. 1 upon 3/16 1 upon 3/16 part of one complete rotation. One complete rotation is called 1 degree. And it is denoted by 1 degree. One upon 16 part of 1 degree part of 1 degree is called 1 minute and denoted by and is denoted by and is denoted by 1 dash. 1 dash denoted as 1 minute. 1 upon 3/16 1 upon 16 part of 1 minute is called 1 second. And is denoted by 1 double dash. 1 double dash denoted as 1 second. Now here second measure is given, radian measure. 1 radian measure is the measure of an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius of the circle. Now take relation between how to convert degree measure into radian measure and radian measure into degree measure. There are two types of measures, radian measure and degree measure. R radian is equal to, there are here two formulas. First formula is R radian is equal to theta degree into pi upon 180 and theta degree is equal to R radian into 180 upon pi. Note, to convert degree measure into radian measure, multiply degree measure by pi upon 180. Second, note, to convert radian measure into degree measure, multiply radian measure by 180 upon pi. Taking pi is equal to 3.14, we have 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree is equal to 57.3248 degree. Now we have to take exercise 1.1. First question, determine which of the following pair of angles are coterminal. Coterminal means that difference between two pair of angles is integral multiple of 360 degree, then that type of angle is called coterminal angle. First example, 210 degree minus 150 degree. Take here 210 degree minus 150 degree is equal difference between two given pair of angles. 210 degree minus into minus is a plus 150 degree is equal to 360 degree. The measure of triangles, the measure of two angles differ by 360 degree. Therefore, these angles are coterminal. Coterminal angle. Coterminals. Write down 330 degree minus 60 degree. Take here difference of these two. 330 degree minus 60 degree. First minus second is equal to 330 degree minus plus 60 degree is equal to, which is not multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, these angles are not coterminal. Which is not multiple of multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, these angles are not coterminal. Third, 405 degree minus 675 degree is equal first minus second. First is 405 degree minus 675 degree is equal 405 degree minus into minus plus 675 degree is equal to 1080 degree is equal to 3 into 360 degree, which is a multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, these angles are coterminal angles. Fourth, minus 180 degree, 540 degree. First minus second. Your first angle is 180 degree minus 540 degree is equal minus 720 degree is equal to minus 2 into 360 degree, which is integral multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, these angles are coterminal angles. Draw the angles of the following measures and determine their quadrants. Here, first example, minus 140 degree, minus 140 degree. Draw quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Minus means clockwise, in clockwise sense. Minus 140 is in third quadrant, therefore quadrant is third. Now take second, 250 degree. 250 degree is positive. Positive असेल तर anti-clockwise sense घ्यायचं positive. Anti-clockwise. It's a 250 degree. Quadrant is third. Quadrant is third. Anti-clockwise असेल तर positive. Clockwise असेल तर negative. Third example. 750 degree. 750 degree. 750 degree. Draw quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Complete one rotation taking anti-clockwise sense. To 360 degree. Say 120 degree. First quadrant, second, third, y-axis, x-axis. Here quadrant is first. Quadrant is first. Convert. Next question. Question number 3. Convert the following angles into radians into radians. 85 degree. 85 degree into 1 pi upon 180. 80 degree is equal to 85 degree is equal to 85 into pi upon 180 radian is equal to 1736. 17 pi upon 36 radian. Second example, minus 132 degree is equal to minus 132 degree into pi upon 180 degree radian is equal to minus 33 pi upon 45 radian is equal to minus 11 pi upon 15 radian. Angles into degree. First, 7 pi upon 12 7 pi upon 12 into 180 upon pi is equal to pi upon pi cancel. Is equal to 105 degree. Second example, minus 5 pi radian upon 3 is equal to minus 5 pi upon 3 into 180 upon pi. is equal to minus 300 degree. Third, minus 1 by 4 radian is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 180 upon pi is equal to minus 45 degree upon pi. That's good.